Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to edit the contact form inside Shopify. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up the admin section of Shopify. And now when you're here, you want to click onto Pages under Online Store. And from here, go ahead and hover over Contact Form and then click on View Page. It'll be far right of Contact. This will open up another page, and now this will show you your contact form. Now to edit this, go back to your theme, click on themes, and then click on customize. So this will bring you to the back end of Shopify where you can edit. Now what you want to do from here is click on to the home page. Will be a drop down menu, and then click on the pages, and then click on to contact. Now to edit this contact form, just simply click onto it. If I want to make the top padding larger or smaller, go ahead and do that. Bottom padding larger or smaller again. If I want to change the color scheme, you can change it here like so. Make it black or red. Might do red because it matches the banner here. You can also give it a heading here, so I'm going to write contact for more information. As you can see, it got added above that spot there. And then all you need to do now, once you've played around all these settings, click on save, top right hand corner, and that's done. So yeah, just have a play around of all the stuff on the right hand side here to get it to the way you want it. So yeah, that's it, how to edit a contact form in Shopify. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.